OmicsLogic Transcriptomics is an online training program for students, researchers, and clinicians. It is designed to introduce participants to the various aspects of RNA-Seq data analysis and application to basic research, biotechnology, and biomedical projects, and see how RNA-Seq is used for real-world biomedical applications. In this program, we will see how, relying on analytical methods and reference databases, researchers can study RNA-Seq data to understand gene expression variation across many conditions. To do so effectively, bioinformaticians leverage big data processing methods organized into bioinformatics pipelines, and perform exploratory data analysis and normalization, apply statistical methods for rigorous hypothesis testing, and rely on data mining and machine learning. We will combine online interactive sessions, self-guided study materials, and practical assignments for an immersive experience